What is up, everyone? Real quick before we get into the video, if you're not familiar with my channel, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I post daily videos, one video each and every single day, a combination between cryptocurrency and stock investing. Like I said 53 minutes ago, a cryptocurrency video, and then earlier today, a stock market video. Check out my cryptocurrency video playlist and check out my day trading live playlist. Let's get right into the video. Peace. What is up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the overall stock market. On the left, I have pulled up the SPY, the SP 500, and as you see, the overall stock market was making higher lows. Again, and the trend was very, very bullish. The stock market was higher than ever. And then right around here, guys, you have talk about the coronavirus. People getting scared. We fell all the way from 339.5 to the bottom of 285 essentially. Then we had a little bit of bullish momentum, and then right here we had what's called a double top, if not a triple top. And this wick right here, it was looking very, very, it's a good indicator right here. If it was going up and I seen this is a good time to short and go bearish, meaning that it would go down, right? Right now, basically, guys, what had happened was because of the coronavirus, it did fall a whole bunch. It basically went from 339.5 to 240.25, which is absolutely crazy. Right now, it's in the middle. It did recover some, but my personal opinion, not investment advice, just educational investing, and my personal opinion, not investing in advice, just educational and entertainment purposes only, just for the sake of this video. In my personal opinion, I'm going to look at this time to buy. You definitely want to buy, guys. Long term, I'm in this for the next 2 to 5, if not 10 years, possibly a decade, guys. Right? Like I said, 10 years. I'm not going to be selling anytime soon. If not, I'm looking this at, it's all about perspective. I'm looking this as a huge discount, about 35 to 40% off. And if I'm going to be holding for a long term anyways, multiple years, I might as well take this as a blessing instead of a curse. And I might actually look forward to it. It's all about perspective. While other people are scared and selling, you want to be buying for cheap, right? This could be a discount, but in 1 to 2 years, this could be huge. It could be a thing, guys. It's the best investment I ever did. On the right chart, guys, I have actually a live trade I did. As you see, right, S is for Sprint, guys. Sprint had a top right here about 805, 806, and if you look, double top again. And this indicator is a doji, right? This gray indicator right here, I have it set up on my chart. This is a trend reversal. If I seen this, guys, huge green, red, green, a little bit of red, and I seen this, bam, it's going to be a reversal. I already called it. So what I did, guys, I waited, right? I put the line right here mentally, and then as you see, it went from all the way from 805 to 425, right? And then we had the S Sprint. They had huge news of a merger, and the merger did actually come out. If you click this right here, this basically, it won't pop up, but up right here, there we go. Sprint.com, guys, it's loading. As you see, nothing's really coming out, but basically Sprint basically said they're going to be merging with someone else, which is huge. They had good news, and then it sent the stock from 425 to 1015, which is absolutely amazing. So as you see on the screen right now, I bought puts. What are puts? You're actually borrowing and renting the stock, and you can either make calls betting it's going to go up, or puts betting it's going to make down. In this personal experience, in this example, I bought puts. So when Sprint was actually falling, maybe right around here, I made this arrow right around the $9. I bought some puts, meaning it's going to go down when it was maybe about here. So what had happened, let me zoom in. I actually said it's going to go lower, and it did, guys. If you see the pictures I'm going to be putting on the screen right now, basically I bought puts, and the price of Sprint, it actually fell a lot. So if I pull up my calculator right here, the difference is, I believe $15. I'm not really quite sure, but I bought 10 contracts. So if you take 15 times 10, it is $150 I bought in the same exact day. It may not be huge, but again, $150 a day, that's better than nothing. And I basically make these over and over again every single day. And like I said, if you take 150, let's just say, for example, between 100 and 300, let's say 150, and you multiply it by 5, you can make $750 a week, and you can make $3,000 a month. Again, just an example. Very, very basic trades. All you really had to do was know that the stock market was going down, and also know that right here there's a resistance. If I make this arrow right here, there's a double top and that doji, so there is a resistance right here. Once Sprint went literally almost triple its value, more than 250%, from 4 to 10, it was just a waiting game. So I waited till it cracked below. I waited till something to crack, maybe around here is when I did it. And then bam, I said it'll go under 9. Right around here, I bought my put. I said it'll go around 9. Bam, and I got out right here. And that's basically it. Very, very quick trade. I even have the timestamps up there. So all you really had to do was just buy the put, bet it's going to go down, wait, and it would actually execute perfectly. And that's really about it, guys. Right now, I am, like I said, I'm flipping bullish. So I'm buying stocks for cheap, and not specifically Sprint. I don't believe in Sprint that much, but I might still be looking to hold and buy more puts for this company, just because it is still overvalued, and it will eventually come down. But overall stock market, I am looking very bullish, and I'm just gonna keep buying for a discount. Thank you guys so much. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That's it for today. Peace.